Welcome to the SolaX instructional installation video series. We will guide you through the installation and commissioning of SolaX OG series. Before the installation, we kindly request you to take a moment to view the user manual. The ambient temperature should be between -10 degrees Celsius to +50 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity shall be between 5-90% RH. Do not install the inverter in areas with flammable, explosive, and corrosive materials or near antennas. Open the package and check the materials and accessories according to the following list. Before the installation, please prepare the following tools for a proper installation. Strip off the insulation of the PE cable to an appropriate length. Pull the heat shrink tubing over the PE cable and insert the stripped section into the R-type terminal. Crimp it with crimping tool. Pull the heat shrink tubing over the stripped section of the terminal. Use a heat gun to shrink it so that it can be firmly contacted with the terminal. Strip the insulation of the battery power cables to an appropriate length. Insert the stripped cable into the battery connection terminal. Crimp it with crimping tool. Strip the insulation of the PV cables to an appropriate length. Insert the conductors PV+, PV- into the ferrules. Use crimping tool for ferrules to crimp it. Make sure the conductors are firmly seated in the ferrules. Strip the insulation of the AC side cables to an appropriate length. Insert the 6 conductors into the ferrules. Use crimping tool for ferrules to crimp it. Make sure the conductors are firmly seated in the ferrules. Before mounting the inverter on the wall, use screws to fix the wall hanger on the upper part of the inverter's back. Note that the protruding part of the wall hanger should face outward. Mark the designated positions with a pin using a background plate. Drill holes and insert expansion tubes. Drill screws into the 2 upper hole positions, but do not tighten them. After hanging the inverter on the wall, remove the outer cover from the lower front part of the inverter. Tighten the 2 upper screws and fix the inverter to the wall with screws inside the inverter. After the connection is completed, re-put the upper cover as follows. Install the screw cover into the hole position on the upper cover. Turn on the inverter and battery switch. Thanks for watching.